In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate profit and loss percentage in Microsoft Excel. We'll go through a simple and practical way to calculate both the profit or loss amount and the profit or loss percentage using basic Excel formulas. This is especially useful if you're comparing a cost price with a selling price and want to quickly see not only the difference, but also the percentage change. To begin, go to cell D2. This is where you'll calculate the profit or loss amount. In that cell, type the formula equals C2 minus B2. This formula subtracts the original value in column B from the value in column C, giving you the amount gained or lost. If the result is positive, that means there is a profit. If the result is negative, that means there is a loss. Once you've entered the formula in D2, press enter. Excel will calculate the result immediately. After that, drag the formula down through the rest of the rows in the column. This copies the same calculation pattern for each row, which saves time and keeps everything consistent. Just make sure your data is arranged in the same way across all rows, so the formula works correctly. Next, move to cell E2. This is where you'll calculate the profit or loss percentage. In E2, type equals open parenthesis C2 minus B2 close parenthesis divided by B2. This formula takes the difference between the two values and divides it by the original amount in column B. That gives you the percentage of profit or loss relative to the starting value, which is usually the most helpful way to measure performance. Press enter to apply the formula. You'll likely see a decimal result at first, and that's completely normal. Then drag the formula down the column just as you did before, so the percentage calculation is applied to all the remaining rows. If the values in column E are showing as decimals instead of percentages, simply click the percentage sign in Excel's toolbar to format them properly. This will convert numbers like 0.25 into 25%, making the results much easier to read and understand. And that's it. You've now calculated both the profit or loss amount and the profit or loss percentage in Excel. This method is fast, accurate, and easy to reuse whenever you're working with pricing, sales, or financial data.